Hi, in front of me is SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable easy mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then choose Home and tap on Simple Home over here. After that, read the disclaimer, click on this icon at the bottom right corner, tap on Set Font Size to Extra Large if you want to, and click OK. As you can see, Easy Mode is now on, but you can always disable it by going into Settings and tapping on Exit Simple Home, then choose OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!